Hello, you people on the internet that I do not know. Today I am going to fold a thing that does a thing at school so you can be less bored at school. So, um it involves a few materials. So first you're going to get yourself some
One eternity later.
First, you're going to get yourself some cardboard tubing, a harmonica, some earbuds, a Lego piece, and a penny. We'll just go right there. Okay, so first what you want to do is once you have all this stuff gathered, you get out your post-it notes and you take one. You have it like this. It's a post-it note, as you can see, and then you fold all of the corners in towards the center, and then it makes another smaller square that becomes the base of your new entertainment device. Okay, so once you have it at this point, you flip it over, and then you once again fold all of the corners back into the center. Now you may be thinking to yourself, oh, we're just making a fortune teller. Wow. So I kind of forgot what to do here. You oh yeah, you fold it in half, and then you take the what do you call this? You fold it in half. You grab the sides here like this, and then you push them in towards the center, and you get this sort of like a plus sign shape. And then once you're there, you open it up, and then you push it like this, and then you make sure to get some nice crisp delicious creases on all of the sides. Just push real hard on those, and then you flip it over again like this, and then bring it out and bang. This fidget thing that you fidget with. Now, if you don't have post-it notes, you could use a normal sheet of paper or any other type of paper, even if it's a rectangle. So you get a piece of homework, right? And then you fold the top corner down to the center, or not to the, you fold it down until you get to the edge of the paper here. Ah, shoot, this paper has been ripped. Luckily for me, I have another piece of paper in the vicinity somewhere. Here we go. Paper. You take this corner or any other corner really, and then you fold it to the edge of the paper so that you get that pretty nicely lined up there. Real good. Then you crease the edge and bam, you have this shape. And then once you get there, you fold this bit down and then bring this back up and push this in there, and then bam, you have a square. And then you just do the same thing you did earlier with the post-it note. You make the fidget thingy for school purposes. There's not really that much to it. It's pretty simple. Well, I guess it is just a fortune teller. It doesn't tell your fortune, but it does provide some sort of entertainment for whatever class you're taking, like math or science or like lunch. That's a subject. Eating. It's like, I think I might just cut this part of the video out. Or I'll just speed it up. I feel like speeding it up would be a better idea. And then you get here and you do the same thing you did last time, except just I have failed, but you get the gist of it. Right, okay, so you make this thing and then you fidget with it, and then it's fidgetable. It's like, wow, cool. Fidget. It fidgets. That's the end of this video. YouTubering is hard. So don't forget to do the like. This camera's too low down. Like, wait, no, don't forget to like, and then subscribe, and do whatever that last button right there is. I'll see you in the next one.